Getting a playback error in Audacity on your PC, yeah, like audio won't play, it freezes, or you hear distortion instead of sound. That can be really frustrating. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix it. First, make sure the correct speakers or headphones are selected. Wrong output device is a very common cause of playback errors. Next, yeah, check if your track is muted or the volume slider is too low inside Audacity. Now, open Windows Volume Mixer. Audacity might be muted at the system level without you noticing. Yeah, restart Audacity completely. Sometimes playback glitches are just temporary software bugs. Now, try changing the audio host to MME or Windows WASAPI. This often fixes playback engine issues. Yeah, close other audio apps. Another program can take control of your sound device. Now, outdated audio drivers can break playback. Updating them often restores normal sound. Yeah, corrupted settings can cause playback issues. Resetting Audacity can fix it quickly. If nothing works, reinstall Audacity. This resets the playback engine and fixes broken configuration files. So yeah, that's how you fix Audacity playback error on PC. Most of the time, it's output device issues, muted tracks, or driver problems. Try these steps and your audio should play normally again. Thanks for watching.